All right, to recap, we want to make sure your general information is up to date. Your name, phone number, email address, mailing address, all of these things are super important so you know that your financial institution can contact you if they need to. You also want to make sure your beneficiaries are in there and up to date. Second, know the contribution limits, if they've changed, if they've not changed, how you may need to adjust if they have changed. Know what they are. That goes along with number 3. Adjust your contributions if you need to. You know your new number is $134 a week if you're trying to max out and you're under 50, or $153 a week if you're over 50. And lastly, check your investment objectives. Review them. Look at your performance. Look at your risk tolerance. Look at your return goals. Take a look at them and always have a good financial standing of where you're at, even if it's just a brief 10-minute overview once a year. Know where you stand and make sure that it still aligns with everything you need to make sure you're set up for success in retirement.